Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about quality assurance or QA. Think of QA professionals like the headlights on a dark road. They light up the way for projects in the tech world. So our job is to find and fix bugs or defects before they cause trouble, whether it is testing apps, mobile apps, websites or software or any software. Our job is to make sure that everything works smoothly. We are like detectives and we investigate the software and make sure the technology is reliable and user friendly. And every day is different for QA. In a QA's daily job, we work closely with developers and all other members of the team, even the BAs, product owners, the operations, and so many people. And we all do this our job in order to catch issues early and ensure quality. And everything is fast moving, fast pacing, and it's very challenging, but it is really rewarding if you love the problem solving and technology. And another crucial role of a tester or the QA professional is revealing the project landscape. What I mean by this is, imagine you have a project like a new terrain. It's like a new terrain. As a QA professional, our role is to shine light on the every aspect of this terrain, an open land, for example. So we test and examine the software and we uncover all the defects, potential pitfalls, and bugs, and all the things that could derail the projects if not caught early. And imagine explorers. We are like explorers with a magnifying glass, acting as detectives. We carefully check every corner of the code to ensure, to make sure it meets quality standards and it works as intended. And by doing this, we help developers navigate through challenges and ensure a smoother journey towards the project's goals. So QA is not only about finding bugs every day, it is also understanding the entire project landscape, where the project is, which stage the project is going on, what phase the project is, and what are we going to deliver in this quarter, in this by the end of this year, and what are we delivering to the customers, and we ensure that the product is safe for users. And in that sense, I mean the product is makes the customer happy and meets their requirements, the end user requirements as well. There are some requirements that the company would like to have in the software from the security or other privacy requirements, but from the end user the functionality is all that matters. And so we QA like having a map that guides everyone towards success. So we are like a compass. We tell what to test and what are the concerns. We raise concerns. We suggest what type of testing need to be done: load testing, security testing, or a disaster recovery testing. If your software is in the cloud, for example, AWS cloud, for example, and as a QA, we always try to we enjoy problem solving and we make a real impact in the software development. Another important thing we do as a QA is just to providing clarity and direction. So there are many members in the team that we work collaboratively as a team member, and in that process we provide clear insights and ensure that the product meets high quality standards. So as I said before, we are like a compass that points toward delivering a reliable product. When the team is struggling with ambiguous situations sometime, we take a step back and then we ask questions. And by asking questions as a QA, we provide more clarity. We receive the answers from various stakeholders and we can take into consideration and we think from the internal company's point of view towards the project goal, and we also think from the customer's perspective how they are going to be impacted by this feature change or for the or because of this defect that's going to be taken care later. So we provide clarity on what stories to take in a sprint. For example, we prioritize them, we give a clarity as to what to be done next, and are we going in the right direction. So that is a one of the important, another crucial role that we play every day. And as a QA, our job is also to cover potential risks that could impact the project's success. Let's say we have a, for example, we conduct a load test and we find that increasing the load to us beyond a certain point is going to affect the application's performance, and we match that to the consumer load that is going to be in the production, and we specify the risks. We bring these risks out in the open light. We shine a light on these things and any vulnerabilities and any other area that needs improvement. So we suggest these improvements so that it helps the development team prioritize and address these critical issues promptly. So this is where we become proactive and take this proactive approach, and that minimizes the chances of setbacks later in the project lifecycle. So we take this proactive approach, and beyond identifying risks, the QAs also play an important role in showing progress. We track the software development starting from the initial stages planning, requirements gathering, and then we continue all the way to the completion of the project, and we provide regular updates as the software cycle begins. We provide regular updates on its quality and functionality. At every phase of the project, we conduct the end-to-end testing, for example, and load testing and all the required testing, and we provide transparency and give the actual condition of this working software to the stakeholders, and that provides a clear view to them on how the project is progressing and thereby allow them to make decisions. So, in essence, we QAs are the guardians of project integrity, and we are not only make sure that the technical requirements of the software are met, but we also make sure that it aligns with the user expectations and business goals. So, this insight and assessment is very valuable, and we become that guiding light in guiding the project towards successful delivery. And throughout our job, we work closely with developers from the early stages, understanding their codes, ensuring that it meets the standards, and we conduct tests. We uncover bugs, performance issues, and usability concerns before they impact the end users. And we are the quality gatekeepers, and we even go to an extent where we review the source code when the developer opens a pull request, and we verify that even the best practice in the codes are sometimes aligned with the project requirements and user expectations. And that really ensures that the software functions smoothly but also make sure that it is reliable and satisfies the user. So this goes beyond finding bugs. So they track the software's progress through the life cycle, and they provide regular updates on the testing results, and they tell what areas of software that needs to be improved, and confirming if the feature is ready for deployment. We are the key to project success. So we are the QA is the backbone of project success. So because of our meticulous testing, careful testing, and attention to detail and commitment to quality assurance, we make sure that the quality software is delivered on time, within budget, and with exceptional quality. So we really focus on, as a QA, focus on the usability testing and all the different types of testing to ensure that the software is intuitive and easy to use and navigate. So this great skill of attention to detail that a quality assurance must possess is very helpful to the team, and it ultimately leads to happier user, and high adoption rates, and it really helps in enhancing the user experience. So that the QA plays a crucial role. So if you're passionate about technology, as I said in the beginning, if you enjoy problem solving and you have a good attention to detail, and if you are very interested in making a real impact on a software development, then QA could be a fulfilling career path for you. So stay tuned as we dive deep into the QA methodologies, share practical tips for effective testing, and discuss the evolving role of QA. And also, we will cover in this series more topics on the real life lessons that are learned. from my experience and by reading books. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon for more updates and the next videos in the series. And thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.